Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and use Olymp Trade on iOS devices. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. If you want to access all Olymp Trade's powerful trading capabilities on your iPhone or iPod, follow these steps. 1. Launch the App Store application on your iPhone or iPad device and search for the Olymp Trade app. Once you find the Olymp Trade app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, tap Get button located next to the app icon. And after tapping at that, bottom will change to Install. Tap Install to begin the download and installation process. If prompt, enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download installation. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch the online trade app. Enter your account credentials to log into your offline trade account, and after logging in, you will have access to all Trade's powerful trading capabilities right from your iOS device. So that's basically how you can download and use Olymp Trade on iOS devices. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.